Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am super excited to share this video with you today. If you have joined in the hop, the AngeldreamcraftsKim on Etsy birthday YouTube hop, then you have hopped over here to my channel, and all the links to the other designers who are involved in the hop are listed in the description box down below, along with the store link, which is currently on sale. We're having a birthday sale as well, and you can follow along the hop. The rules for the hop are pretty simple. Just comment down below on everybody's videos that's in the hop, like and subscribe. Super simple. So make sure you do all of that, because the winners, some of the designers are having giveaways on their channel, and I'm having a big one here on my channel. So this is my store. Hopefully you can, if my camera will focus. There we go. And you can see the link down below there. And it's AngeldreamcraftsKim on Etsy. So let's get started. The theme for our hop was upcycling. So what I did was I had this purse in my stash, and I decided to make over the purse, and inside the purse is a ton of goodies from my shop, which the winner will get along with the bag as well. So let's get started. As you can see, it is like just a crocheted purse, and I used some beautiful doilies, laces, and trims from my shop. And the beautiful pink tulle, which is a shop favorite, and some dangle trim at the bottom here. I know it's hard to see, but let me see if I can get that in. There we go. And some beautiful dangle trim, and then this beautiful wide lace from the store, and then an antique doily here, which flips over the top of the purse. So let me show you the front. It's got a nice long handle too, so you can use the bag for sure. And this is the front of the bag. And I've done it in beiges, whites, creams, and soft pinks. So again, I use that wide lace. It kind of goes here and flips over. And then the antique doily you can see peeking out here. And then I use this beautiful image of these two ladies. I just love it. The colors are so soft and pretty. And I printed that off on fabric. And then this is the shell lace that's in my shop, some ribbon roses from my stash, the pink bling, which was in the shop, it's currently sold out, I believe, and a doily and a little flower from my stash. And then these beautiful flowers are in my shop, and they're in all different colors, so I used two of them there. And then I just layered up some sort of beige gathered lace, more of the pink tulle, and then this lace here I got in a swap from Amy Love. Thank you, Amy. And then some beautiful dangle trim, fringe trim from my stash. So that is the top of the bag. And I love how it came out. It's so soft and pretty. And then when you flip open the bag, here on the inside at the top, some Chinese braid from the store, and this pink lace is from my stash. And then here, this trim was in the store, more of the pink tulle, and then this beautiful tulip lace, which was in the shop, and pink ribbon roses from the shop, more of the fringe trim, and then this lace was also in my store. I think this is sold out now. So that's what that looks like. And then along the bottom, this is chunky so it's hard to show. Along the bottom I have more of this beautiful pink trim, the tulle trim, and you can see that's what the inside of the bag looks like right there. And it has a zipper, and then inside is beautiful goodies. So let me pull the bag out. And this is what the winner is going to receive along with the bag. It is chock full of laces from my store. some of the beautiful wide cotton trims, the pink double layer polka dot tulle trim. There's bling, ribbon roses, flowers, all kinds of laces and trims from my shop in this beautiful, nice big bag. So, and there's even some cabochons in here as well, which everybody loves. And some beautiful embroidered net laces, some Venice laces, all kinds of goodies. I'm not going to take it out because I'd like the winner to be surprised, but it is a beautiful full bag of lots of goodies. So that is the prizes that I'm giving away and my project. So I hope that you like it, and I hope that you will continue to hop on over to the other designers' channels. They're very talented and they've got some beautiful projects. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to everybody. And that's it for me, hopping over to my channel. So check out the next person on the hop if you haven't, and check out the store because everything is on sale, and pick up some bargains and some of these beautiful goodies for yourself. And that's it for now. I will thank you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Take care and happy hopping.